Hello everybody and welcome to the 6th episode in our csgo Multicheat series. Today we are going to be making a radar cheat. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up Atom, go to File, and we're going to just make a new file. And I'm going to call this radar underscore tut.py. So just like usual, we're going to be importing PyMem. We're going to import PyMem.process and import keyboard. Alright, so make sure you install these with pip and everything. Now we can go into our offsets. So I'm using my offset dumper. So I'm just going to delete these. I dumped these beforehand, and I'm just going to dump them real quick. Now I'm going to drag my Python file over here. And the first offset we're going to need is DW entity list. I'll just copy that, paste it over. And then we're going to be looking for m_b spotted. Alright, once we have that, just copy that over. And then we can just go into our main function here. So this is a really short thing to code. It's pretty simple. So just going to be making our PyMem or PM variable here. So PyMem.pymem and then csgo.exe. And then client equals pymem.process.module_from_name. And then here we're going to be making our pm.process handle. Alright, and then client.dll, and then .lpbase of dll. Alright, so once we have that, we can go into our while true statement. So while true, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to make our kill key. So if keyboard is underscore pressed, and we're just going to exit 0. Alright, once we have that, we are going to be doing for I in range of 1 to 32. Then we're going to make a variable called entity. We're going to set this to pm.readInteger client plus dw entity list plus I times 0x10. Alright, now we're going to do if entity. Then we're going to be writing pm.writeUchar and then entity plus m_b spotted 1. Now 1 stands for true, 0 would stand for false. So basically what we're doing here is writing a Boolean value of true or false. So we're going to go back down here, and we're going to call our main function. So if underscore name equals underscore main, then we're going to call main. And there you go. It's only 22 lines. It's pretty simple. So now all we gotta do is go into our game here. Alright, and once we're in game, we can just open up our command prompt, C desktop, and then I'm going to do Python radar underscore tut.py, and I'm going to run it. And as you can see in the top left, if you look at the radar, we have the red arrows, and that just shows where our enemy's positions are at all times. So if I go over here, it's just going to always point to where they are. So it's like ESP for your radar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's all.